Welcome to my channel. How to get started with running. Running is a highly effective aerobic exercise that elevates your heart rate, improving your cardiovascular fitness. Regular running can strengthen your heart, improve blood circulation, and enhance lung capacity. Getting started with running is an exciting and accessible way to improve your fitness and overall health. Running is a journey, and it's important to be patient with yourself. Celebrate small milestones along the way, stay consistent, and enjoy the process of becoming a stronger and more resilient runner. Running is considered a weight-bearing exercise, which means it puts stress on your bones. This stress stimulates the bones to become stronger, helping to increase bone density and reduce the risk of conditions like osteoporosis. Before starting, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Set your goals. Setting goals when getting started with running is crucial for motivation and progress. Begin by determining your motivation and why you want to start running, whether it's for improved fitness, weight loss, stress relief, or personal achievement. Determine what you want to achieve through running. It could be improving your cardiovascular fitness, losing weight, participating in a race, or simply enjoying the activity. Setting clear goals will help you stay motivated and track your progress. Then, set specific and realistic goals that align with your current fitness level and running experience. Consider both short-term and long-term objectives, focusing on performance-based goals, such as running a certain distance or achieving a specific pace, as well as process-oriented goals like consistent training habits. Number 9. Start with walk-run intervals. When beginning your running journey, a great approach is to start with walk-run intervals. This method allows your body to gradually adapt to the demands of running, while minimizing the risk of overexertion or injuries. Begin by alternating between walking and running segments, such as running for 1 minute followed by walking for 2 minutes. If you're new to running or have been inactive for a while, it's best to begin with a combination of walking and running. Number 8. Find a suitable running route. Finding a suitable running route is an important aspect of starting your running journey. Look for routes that are safe, convenient, and enjoyable to enhance your running experience. Consider local parks, running trails, or paths in your neighborhood that offer a mix of scenery and terrain. Look for well-lit areas if you plan to run early in the morning or evening. It's also beneficial to choose routes that align with your fitness level and goals, whether you prefer flat surfaces for building speed or hilly terrains for increasing endurance. Exploring different routes can keep your runs interesting and prevent monotony. Additionally, consider the availability of water fountains or hydration stations along the route, especially for longer runs. Number 7. Get proper running shoes. Getting proper running shoes is essential for a comfortable and injury-free running experience. When starting your running journey, invest in a pair of running shoes that provide the right support, cushioning, and fit for your feet. Visit a specialty running store where experts can analyze your foot type, arches, and gait to recommend suitable shoe options. Consider factors such as pronation, how your foot rolls inward during running, stability needs, and any specific foot conditions you may have. Invest in a good pair of running shoes that provide adequate support, cushioning, and stability. Visit a specialty running store to get fitted for shoes that match your foot type and running style. Wearing the right shoes can help prevent injuries and enhance your comfort while running. Number 6. Establish a consistent routine. Establishing a consistent routine is key when getting started with running. Choose a schedule that works for you and commit to running on specific days and times each week. Consistency is key in building your running endurance and maintaining progress. Set a schedule for your runs and aim for at least 3 to 4 sessions per week. This will help your body adapt and improve gradually. Treat your running sessions as appointments with yourself and prioritize them in your daily routine. Number 5. Warm up and cool down. Warming up and cooling down are important components of a safe and effective running routine. Before you start your run, it's essential to warm up your body by engaging in light aerobic exercises like brisk walking or gentle jogging for about 5 to 10 minutes. Prior to each running session, warm up your body with a few minutes of light aerobic exercises like brisk walking or jogging. After your run, cool down with some gentle stretching to aid in recovery and reduce muscle soreness. This helps increase blood flow to your muscles, raises your core body temperature, and prepares your body for the upcoming physical activity. Number 4. Listen to your body. Listening to your body during and after running is essential for maintaining a healthy and injury-free running practice. While running, pay attention to any discomfort, pain, or unusual sensations in your body. If you experience pain, excessive fatigue, or discomfort, it's important to rest and allow your body to recover. Pushing through severe pain can lead to injuries, so it's better to take it slow and progress at a pace that feels comfortable for you. Notice how your muscles and joints feel. If you experience excessive soreness, inflammation, or persistent pain, it may be a sign that you need more rest or that you should seek medical advice. Number 3. Join a running group or find a running partner. Joining a running group or finding a running partner can greatly enhance your running experience and provide numerous benefits. Running with others offers motivation, accountability, and a sense of camaraderie. Running with others can provide motivation, support, and accountability. Consider joining a local running club or finding a running buddy to make your running experience more enjoyable and socially engaging. It can push you to reach new levels of performance and make your runs more enjoyable. By being part of a running group or having a running partner, you gain access to a supportive network of like-minded individuals who share a common passion for running. Number 2. Track your progress. Tracking your progress is essential for monitoring your growth and staying motivated in your running journey. Keeping a record of your runs allows you to see improvements over time and celebrate milestones along the way. Use a running app, fitness tracker, or a simple journal to record your runs, distances, and times. Monitoring your progress will help you stay motivated and provide a sense of accomplishment as you see improvements over time. Here are various methods for tracking progress, including using running apps, GPS watches, or a simple notebook. Track important data such as distance, pace, duration, and even how you felt during the run. Number 1. Stay hydrated and maintain a balanced diet. Staying hydrated and maintaining a balanced diet are essential elements for optimal performance and overall well-being in your running journey. Proper hydration is crucial for regulating body temperature, supporting cardiovascular function, and preventing dehydration during runs. Drink water regularly throughout the day and ensure you're well hydrated before, during, and after your runs. Consider carrying a water bottle or planning your routes where water sources are available. Alongside hydration, maintaining a balanced diet provides the necessary nutrients for energy, muscle repair, and recovery. Aim for a well-rounded diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.